A satellite of mass 1000 kg is supposed to orbit the Earth at a height of 2000 km above the Earth's surface. So this is the Earth and this is satellite, and mass of the satellite is small m. It is given to us 1000 kg and it is at a height 2000 km from the Earth's surface, and it is moving in the circular orbit like this. Okay, अब आपको क्या पूछ रहा है? फाइंड इट्स स्पीड इन द ऑर्बिट. और क्या क्या गिवन है? अच्छा, काइनेटिक एनर्जी भी निकालनी है, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी भी निकालनी है, टाइम पीरियड निकालना है. मास ऑफ द अर्थ इज गिवन टू अस, तो इसको मैं कैपिटल एम ले लेता हूँ. इट इज गिवन टू अस 6 × 10⁻24 किलोग्राम. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज द ऑर्बिटल स्पीड. तो वी ऑल नो वेरी वेल दैट द ऑर्बिटल स्पीड इज नोन एज √gm upon small r, and you can say √gm upon r plus h, where r is the radius of the earth. Okay, so v equal to √gm. root g is 6.67 into 10⁻⁻11, and mass of the earth is 6 into 10⁻24 upon r plus h. Radius of the earth is known to us 6400 km. So 6400 plus 2000, so it is given by 8400 km. Okay, तो इसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करोगे क्या लिखोगे? 8400 इंटू 10⁻³ मीटर, और अगर पॉइंट यहाँ लगा लो तो 10⁻⁶. ओके, सो विल राइट इट इज 8.4 इंटू 10⁻⁶. ठीक है, फर्दर यू विल सॉल्व इट. सो वी कैन राइट इट रूट, एंड यू कैन यूज कैलकुलेटर ऑल्सो. सो इट विल बी 400.2 into 10⁻, you can write it is 10⁻12 upon 8.4 into 10⁻⁶. Further you will solve it 47.64 into 10⁻⁶, and square root you will take, you will write 6.9 into 10⁻³ meter per second, and you can write it 6.9 kilometer per second. So this is the answer of part A. In part B we have to calculate the kinetic energy. So kinetic energy we all know very well, it is known as a half m v square. So half mass of the satellite is 1000, and v square we can write here 6.9 into 10⁻³ whole square, that is a speed square. You will solve it and you will get 23805 into 10⁻⁶ joules, or you can say it is 2.38 into 10⁻10 joules. In C part we have to calculate the potential energy of the Earth satellite system. We all know very well potential energy का basic formula क्या होता है? Potential energy is -g m1 m2 upon r plus h. So g की जगह रखोगे वही 6.67 10⁻⁻11. Mass of the Earth is 6 into 10⁻24, and small m it is given 1000 kilogram, and r plus h we have already calculated, it is 8.4 into 10⁻⁶. We will put all the values and you will get -4.76 into 10⁻10 joules. And last is the D part. We have to calculate the time period. We all know very well time period is given by circumference upon speed. Circumference is given by 2 pi r plus h upon speed is v. So again value of the 2 is known to us. Pi is 22/7, r plus h that is 8.4 into 10⁻⁶, upon speed v that is 6.9 into 10⁻³ meter per second. We put all the values and we will get, it is given by 2.12 hours. So answer of this problem is given by 6.9 km per second, 2.38 into 10⁻10 joules, -4.76 into 10⁻10 joules, and 2.12 hours.